NFL Mixer, pick your team break number 4494, April 9th. Thank you all for hopping in the break. Appreciate you guys' patience and getting this one full early. Let me get that we're live on the main before we get into it. Teams are going to be pinned in the comments below. All cards will ship. Everything for the most part will be cased up on the spot. We do have a card with multiple team owners. We'll go to the randoms 3 times, top of the list. After 3, we'll get that card. It's going to be done at the end of the break. Next break, we'll be going up. It's going to be another NFL Mixer. Probably in about an hour or so, we'll get the next one up. 30. That's what I was talking about, guys. Not 100% sure when that's going to stop, but it's exactly why I didn't want to break this one until we got that situated. But let's get out the packs in the meantime. We got 10 Donruss Optic Blasters, 1 Optic Cello box. First look at the Cello boxes, 3 Illusions Premium Editions, and 2 Topps Inception Hobby boxes. It did calm down a little bit, so it's a little bit better, but might just get noisy randomly. Number 3. See if we could stay hot out of the blasters. We've been producing. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9's coming up. 10, fun one. Alrighty. It was a lot worse earlier, to be honest with you. It calmed down, but that was pretty much, I don't know if you were in here at the beginning, but it's right above us. Alright, good luck. Got Max Melton and a Bo Nix base for Denver to start. Broncos gonna go to Kevin. Insert coming up. Best Teddy's Baker, Mike Evans, lot 2s for the Colts. Auto, Jeremiah Trotter for the Eagles. Here, our first auto of the break, Philly. Eagles going to Renato. Jeremiah Trotter. Kirk Cousins on the silver, backside Darius Robinson. Shot coming up, a worthy for the Chiefs, Kansas City. Chiefs gonna go to Andrew. Worthy purple shot. Mitchell for Philly as well. Next shock, Jonathan Brooks for the Panthers and McMillan for Tampa Bay. Silver, Young, and Newbin closing out the first blaster. Next one coming up. Good luck. Silver in front, CJ Stroud, second year for the Texans, Bucky Irving. Second year Stroud for Houston. Shaka Jalen Ryan leaf out. Should clear up though. Usually will clear up. But primary colors Penix and Lau. Silver coming up will be a Baker for Tampa Bay and rookie. Bucks going to Randy. A lot of vet hollows to start. Pair to rookies. Next shock coming up, Benson Knott and Javon Baker. Final pack. First two blasters. We got Chris Jenkins, 80 Mitchell. Next two coming up. Good luck. Lighted up Malik and Trice. Silver, Cameron Jordan, Mason Smith. Shock Murphy the second, Tip Raymond. Wilkins, Stroud, Nealon, Trotter Jr. That is going to be a Trotter Jr. See if we can pull both father-son. Silver, Edwards, Blake Corum. Cooper and Ladd for the Chargers. Best studies Deshaun Cooper, Dallas Turner. Silver coming up, Trey McBride, Nick Wiggins. Shock will be of Flournoy for the boys and Bell. Shock Bullard for the Packers, Devondre, 2 to go. Silver Derek card, Jackson, last pack, for Blasters. Close in with the shock will be of AJ Barner for the Seahawks and Braylon Allen. Next 2 coming up. Good luck. Silver, Jameson Williams, Darius Robinson. Caleb for the Bears for Chicago. That's right above us. Going to Chris. Wow, I thought it stopped for a little bit. That's my bad, guys. Nice. Mitchell for Philly. We got Drake May on the My House and McMillan starting to heat up in this blaster. My House Drake May. Silver Austin Eckler Dubin. Shock of Fisk and Joe Altz. Luke McCaffrey and Trice. I always watch it on YouTube. Silver rookies going to be Loud for the Raiders and Brendan Rice. Raiders going to go to Dominick. Shock McMillan for Tampa Bay and Corley. Insert coming up, Brandon Cooks and Leary. Silver, Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. Going to Andrew. Next shot coming up, Tyler Newman. Bo Nix on the base for Denver. Final pack. Shock, Joe Alt for the Chargers. Lot 2, 4 blasters left. That was bad timing on my part, guys. Bad timing on my part. It was completely quiet for about 20 minutes. Thought we were good to go. Alright, good luck. Kool-Aid, Alt. Silver rookie, Braswell and Trice. No Dominick silvers yet. Luke McCaffrey, Mason Smith. Next shot coming up, Colt, Tip Raymond. Silver coming up, James Conner and Trotter Jr. for Philly. Shock, Ray Davis, Blake Corum. Silver rookie, Jalen Wright for Miami. Dolphins going to go to Matthew Lewis. Shock, Malik Washington, A.J. Barner. Four to go. Insert will be of Zach Martin, Vidal, 3 left. Silver, Adam Thielen, Braswell, 2 to go. Here's the jersey card. First one of the breaks coming up. Jacoby Jatavian for the Panthers. There's a nice Drake May behind it. Carolina Panthers. Gonna go to Trevor. Jatavian. Drake May for the Patriots. Well, we're committed now. Unfortunately. Max Melton, final pack. Scary Terry, Patty Mahomes, Rome for the Bears. Chicago Bears going to go to Chris on the row. And worthy base for the Chiefs. 2 blasters to go. We'll see if we can find a short print to close this out here. Final 2 coming up. Good luck. Silver rookie McMillan for Tampa Bay. Bucks going to go to Randy. Chris Braswell. Shock, DJ James, Max Melton. Rome on the 2014 Retro and Worthy base. Next silver coming up, David Montgomery, Jonathan Brooks. Next shock coming up, Penix for Atlanta. Purple shock will go to Terry Mason. Penix shock. And Bucky for Tampa Bay. Still got about a blaster and a half left to do some damage here. Shock, Cowling, Leaf Foul. Silver will be of Montgomery, second one of him. McClellan and Bo Nix for Denver. Base, there's a Caleb rookie recruit sensor in Latu. Three to go. Can we keep the streak alive? What is this? Blue glitter. First one, Polk for the Patriots. It's the first blue glitter that we pulled. That's going to go to Keith. Polk. Chris Godwin on the silver and Robinson. And final 2 packs coming up. Base, there's our second Caleb. Purple shock for the Bears. Going to Chris. Very nice. Caleb shock. Get that in the shot in a second here. Mitchell for the Eagles. And final pack. I think the streak might end here because the blue glitter looks like it. Fisk and McMillan will close out the blasters. The first break with the blasters not getting it done on a DT. But we'll see. We still got Donruss Optic in the break. Maybe the cello box will produce something nice downtown style. All right, in 1 second, guys. We're going to move to go to cello box. Help this out. Get these out for a second. All right, good luck here. First look at these. Pack 1. We have Culp on the velocity, Jalen Wright. Tampa Bay Bucks, Randy. Base, velocity, Fisk, and Edwards. Go to the Rams. Rams gonna be for Renato. Next velocity coming up will be, there's a nice one for the Bears. What a break so far. Green velocity, Caleb with 2 purple shocks. The run keeps going for Chris. Caleb's galore. And Braylon Allen. Best studies, T-Law, Kirk, Jaquan Jackson. Great velocity of McClellan and Tavondre Sweat. Final pack in the front stack here. Closing with worthy rookie recruits Theo Johnson. Second half coming up. Good luck. Silver rookies coming. Braylon Allen for the Jets. Follow. Jets gonna go to Rainey. JC Latham. Ooh, the color is good on this one. Color is good. It will be Luke McCaffrey on the velocity. Michael Pratt. Want to rob? About 4 or 5 to go. Base. Worthy primary colors, Nick Wiggins. Three left. It's just like a silver. Silver Tony Pollard for the Titans, Benson Knott. 2 packs remain here. Tyson Badgett, backwards, ETN. Diamond Hands, Harrison Jr., Chris Jenkins for the Bengals. Final pack, Marcelo box. Good luck. Green Velocity to close. Roman Wilson for the Steelers and Bell. Alright, so Caleb being the big one in that one. Moving on to Illusions Premium Edition. So no DT out of the blasters, no DT out of the cello box. Could be due for the next one. Next break we'll see. Box 2. Box number 3. All right, good luck here. Premium edition coming up. Pack 1. Derrick Henry is going to be a swirl for the Ravens. Kyler, Connor, Harrison Jr., and Penix. We have George Kittle for the Niners, Game Magicians, Levis, Tyjae, Ridley, and DeAndre Hopkins. Patrick Mahomes, Baker, Bucky, Mike Evans, Chris Godwin. Joey B, K9, Gino, DK Metcalf, Tyler Lockett. Derrick Henry, Brock Purdy, CMC Pearsall, and George Kittle. First acetate, Sapphire Illusionist, Josh Jacobs, going to the Packers for Johnny. Jacobs, Saquon, Watt, Wilson, Najee, final pack. In the front, Bobby Wagner is going to be numbered to 75 for the Commanders for Rob, Rogers, Wilson, Hurts, and A.J. Brown. $75 on the Bobby Wagner. Final stack of our non-hits. Should be seeing numbered cards, swirls, acetates. Joey B is going to be a Shining Stars insert. Penix, Bijan, Kirk Cousins, Lamar. Game Magicians, Derrick Henry, JJ, Kyler, James Conner, and Harrison Jr. for Arizona. Game Magicians, Herbie, base on the backside, Dallas Turner Rook. Amazing Brock Purdy, Eckler, Jaden Base, Scary Terry, Bobby Wagner. If interested, the next mixer will be going up probably around 12:30. Latu is for the Colts Mystique. Probably going to be similar to the ones we've been running. Will Levis, Tyjae, Ridley, and DeAndre Hopkins. George Kittle will be numbered to 75 for the 49ers, going to Damon, Baker, Bucky, Mike Evans, Chris Godwin. $75 of 75 on the Kittle. Austin Eckler is going to be a swirl for the Commanders. Jamar, Hendrickson, and Ceedee. Game Magicians, Kelsey, Thielen, Leggett, Caleb, and Rome for the Bears. We have a Caleb, Game Magicians, Lamar, Derrick Henry, Kyle Hamilton, Bryce. Caleb's all over this break. I'd be shocked if he pops up in probably Inception. Amon-Ra, St. Brown, Game Magicians, ETN, T-Law, Thomas Jr., and Patty Mahomes. About 4 to go. Trevor Lawrence again. AR, AD Mitchell, JT, Franklin. Here's a Lad McConkey Mystique Sapphire for the Chargers. Chargers going to Alex Bea. Lad Mystique. We got Musgrave, Stroud, Nico, and backside Diggs. Tua is going to be numbered to 75 for Miami. Laporta, Watson, J-Love, Jacobs. Dolphins going to go to Matthew Lewis. 2/75. Final pack. We have Tajay for the Titans. We got a Hollow Heroes short print out of a premium edition. Nice. Brock Purdy. SP for the 49ers. Gonna go to Damon. Here you go, Damon. Brock Purdy. On the Hollow Heroes. Get that in the front here. It's gonna. Troy Franklin, Jared Goff, Jahmyr Gibbs closing out our non-hit packs, but a good finish on the SP Purdy. All right, all hits should be coming up here. Good luck, everybody. Joe Montana, Dallas Turner, JJ, first one to 299. Jalen Wright for the Dolphins. Miami Dolphins going to go to Matthew Lewis. First RPA, and Kyle Hamilton on the swirl. Next one's coming up. Bobby Wagner, Bradshaw, Staubach, and there is Lad McConkey for Alex to 9 on the Nike swoosh. 8/9, very nice. Lad to 9. This was totally my bad. I was trying to wait it out. I thought I timed it perfectly, to be honest with you guys, but I was completely wrong on the noise. So I do apologize. Lamar Jackson for the Ravens, Game Magicians. Next one coming up. We have Austin Eckler, Jaden, Scary Terry, and Dallas Turner to 299 for the Vikings. 97/299. Vikes going to go to Damon. Dallas Turner. Start getting the autos up there. Travis Kelce for the Chiefs. Amazing. Next one coming up, Rome, DJ Moore, Joey B, Ray Davis to 299 for the Bills, and a Jaden swirl for the Commanders on SP. Ray Davis to 299. Jaden swirl, nice. Want to Rob? Jaden action. Adam Thielen, Leggett, Caleb, and here is a 3-color patch of Estime for Denver. Great Expectations, going to go to Kevin Jackson. Joey B. Next one coming up, Derrick Henry, Kyle Hamilton, Bryce, 80 Mitchell to 299 for the Colts. Colts will be for Joe. 80 Mitchell, RPA to 299. Game Magician, St. Brown. We have Dak, Bo Nix for Denver, Cortland Sutton, Tyler Nubin to 75 for the Giants. 2-color patch. It's going to go to Chad. Nubin to 75 and a swirl of Calvin Ridley. Final two. Trey Hendrickson, CeeDee Lamb, Zeke, and here's a nice one for the Patriots. 3-color patch, 2 of 75. Drake May, Pats. That is going to Keith. Nice set for Keith. 2 of 75. Jaden will be a Game Magicians for Rob. Final pack coming up from Illusions Premium Edition. Good luck, everyone. Last hit is going to be going to the DJ Moore, Joey B. Jamar, the Panthers to 299. Xavier Legette, 21 to 299. Carolina Panthers, Trevor. Another one for the Panthers. Legette. Drake May, final card from Illusions. Amazing inserts. Moving on to our final 2 boxes, which will be Topps Inception coming up. One second, everybody. Get into that momentarily here. Damn, I think we might stop for a little bit here towards the end of the break, so at least Inception's got some peace and quiet. Good luck, everyone. We have Redemption. Redemption coming up in box 1. James Harrison's going to be numbered to 75 for the Steelers. Steelers going to Paul. Harrison to 75, followed by, behind that one, a green Jerome Bettis. Back-to-back Steelers, not numbered on the Bettis. We have our memorabilia for the Rams. It's going to be numbered to 99, Blake Corum. Caleb Redemption, Kevin, probably. 41 to 99. It feels like it, based on how the break went. Take the 2 off, then we got the Redemption, Dallas Clark, and Rattler base. Saints going to Renato. Redemption will be back here. Latu for the Colts. Autograph, will be for Joe Hummel. Second one of the break for the Colts. Jesus. Latu. Good luck here. Once again, 100% my bad on, I thought we were in the clear. 100% was not in the clear. You are due to receive Providence patch autograph green parallel of Caleb Williams. Wow. It felt like it, and there it is. Going to Chris. What a break for the Bears. Very nice. Providence patch autograph. I'm not sure what that one looks like. Caleb, that's on the thing, not the redemption. Caleb. All right, final box coming up. What do we have on the backside? Backside launch SP for the Panthers, Bryce Young. Carolina Panthers gonna go to Trevor. Bryce Young on the short print. Nice. Yeah, Bears crushed this one for sure. All right, let's do this. Once again, we're gonna take the. Oh man, it is literally right above us. Couldn't have timed it worse. To 99 for the Patriots. Going to Keith. Andre Tippett. We have a green coming up for the Steelers. Porter. I hope you guys are on mute. Final memorabilia is coming up. Mike Singletary for the Bears will be a jersey card of 125. Chicago Bears, Chris. Followed by our 2 base cards, and then we got 2 autos to close us out. I think these are our 2. No, this is our auto. How about a Brock Bowers to 150 going to the Raiders? Dominick. There you go, Dominick. Brock Bowers. To 150, we'll get this one magged up. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we had that launched. That's why we didn't have the other base. But a nice 2 boxes of Inception. 2 top rookie autos. Brock to 150. And our final autograph coming up for the Broncos, Jonah Ellis to 150 is going to close us out. Give me a second to do the recap. Once again, I do apologize. I timed this very poorly. And that's why it took so long to run this, because it would have ran at like 8 in the morning. But it's been happening all day, and it's kind of hard to... I need it done, so I can't really complain about it, because if it rains, it's going to be leaking everywhere. But... at the same time, I do apologize. Next one for sure will not be like that. All right, recaps coming up. Everything got cased up here. No downtown hit today so far, so we'll see if we can change that on the next. But some nice autos, some other nice cards pulled in this one for sure. Let's see what a Providence patch autograph looks like. Yes, sir, Dominick. Nice hit on the Brock. Pretty clean. I love that it's on card. Hollows. Was it too bad, guys, or was it? It was unbearable at one point, but was it unbearable? It was pretty bad in my opinion. I don't know. For the noise. Caleb's. Yeah, Alex, we're gonna run another one. Probably, what time is it? 12:15, 12:30. We'll probably put up another one, but it's gonna be maybe a little bit different boxes. Same products, but different quantities. Blue glitter polk. My house drink May. Couple of worthies. I'll do a tag list for that one. We'll do a 12:30. That one's gonna go up next. Andre to 99, Harrison to 75, to 75 Tua, Kittle, Wagner to 75, Newbin, Estime, Jalen Wright to 299, Rutavian, Singletary to 125, Corum to 99. We had a couple of short prints. Brock Purdy on the Hollow Heroes, as well as the launch. Bryce Young for the Panthers. Jonah Ellis to 150. Trotter auto. Latu base auto. Dallas Turner, Ray Davis, 80 Mitchell, and Leggett to 299. We had the swirl of Jaden. We had the green velocity of Caleb. Great break for the Bears. Crushed it. Drake May to 75. Ladd on the Nike swoosh to 9. Brock Bowers to 150. And Caleb on the Providence patch auto green. I want to see what that looks like real quick. See if we could find what a Providence is. Inception, Providence, patch auto. Just the little 3-color, or the... Is that what it is? Yeah, I think it's just the little one, the little patch auto, but next one will be going up at 12:30 p.m. PST if interested. There will be a little tag list if you guys want to like the post. We'll get that posted momentarily. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for hanging in there with the noise. Once again, I do apologize for that. Just was a little bit outside of my control, and I thought we were good to go, but it's the reason why I didn't want to run it. And of course, it happened right when we ran it. So thank you guys. I'll see you on the next piece.